Sup guys, let's do this.
What is up, you guys? Claudio back again, and today we're gonna play Will You Press the Button? I've done this a few times before and I thought it was pretty fun. The first time I wasn't really that amused, but the second time it turned out way better. So I'm back again, and will I press the button? We'll see. Depends on what's up. Let's get it. Okay, so you will become very famous, but you have no family. Okay, so I will become famous, but you have no family. Does it mean that my family go away if I become famous, or is it like another life and then it's like I don't have? I don't know, man. I'm very famous. It doesn't even say why I become famous. It's kind of no. Okay, 39% of the people here have pressed this button, while 61% did not. So yeah, okay. Let's try the next one. You are the first to play the most realistic video game ever, but there are no cheat codes and your player is required to sleep at least 9 hours. What? There are no cheat codes and your player is required to sleep at least 9 hours per day. Per day? Why don't let him sleep while I sleep? I never sleep 9 hours, but I mean, still. Sure, why not? Why not? Okay, 71% had pressed this button, while 29% did not. Interesting. Was pretty cool. I wouldn't mind playing it. Alright, let's see. Next. You and your family gain immortality and will never age. Okay. But you're reduced to a very young... What? You're reduced to a very young child of the opposite gender and will be treated as such. What? Why? What the come on, man. No. 33% press the button though. Okay, cool. Let's see. You get one free thing of your choice every day, but you lose something else. You know what? I am very comfortable how I live. I don't really wish for anything, to be honest. I think I will pass. So, okay, 58% pressed the button while 42% did not. Okay, understandable. If you don't really... I will... You know, I'm so satisfied with what I have already in my life, so I'm like, yeah. Okay, well, anyway. Let's see. You will always be alone, but you will have a son to bury. Oh, to bury you. Okay. What? You will always be alone. Why? Yeah, no. That's a bit weird, that one, wasn't it? Alright, moving on. You get to eat anything you want for the rest of your life without being out of shape. But you have to wake up at 5 a.m. every morning, walk outside nude, and stare at the sky for an hour, regardless of weather conditions. No. It rang on my door, so I'm gonna pause it here. And I'll be back. I just have to see what the fuck it is.
A few moments later.
Yeah, I'm back. Where was I? You get to eat and yeah, I didn't want that. Oh, this was a close call. 51% versus 49. Okay. Next one. You are immortal. A lot of these immortal options. You are immortal, but you're stuck on the moon for 1,000 years. So if you're immortal, you'll never die, but you get to be stuck on the moon for 1,000 years. I wonder if you feel the pain of not being able to breathe because you're in the vacuum of space for 1,000 years. And being stuck on the moon equals no air or food. Yeah, no, I don't think so. I wouldn't want to be immortal either. It's like, no. 53%. Press the button though. Interesting. Alright, next. You can shoot laser from your eyes, but you have a lazy eye. What? You can just fix a lazy eye. That's easy, like surgery or whatever. I would rather shoot lasers. That'd be cool. Oh, 50%. Press the button while 50% did not. Okay. Interesting. Gain again with the fucking immortality. Gain immortality. You won't age past 30 either. But you can't go unconscious or sleep. So why would that matter? If you gain immortality and you won't age past 30 either, you can't go unconscious or sleep. Why the fuck would I need to? I mean, it's like I'm immortal. I don't need to sleep. I'm gonna press the button and see what's up. 61% press the button. All right. Another one. Your private website becomes more famous than Facebook, but you can't modify it. Never update, bug fix, or other. Yeah, it'd be hard for that to be more popular than Facebook than crash immediately. Sure, but if you can't modify, you can modify to get ad revenue from it either, so you won't be able to make any money from it. So, am I thinking too much into this? I'm just gonna press the button and see what's up. Alright, 53% pressed the button while 47 did not. I don't know, man. Next one. You get to party like Jay Etheridge? Who is Jay Etheridge or Etheridge? I don't know who he is. Every day, but you cannot stop shitting yourself when you're not partying? Really? Well, first off, I don't know who the fuck this J guy is, and you cannot stop shitting yourself when you're not. No, fuck no. Only 21% pressed the button. Alright. You know what? Last one. You know about magic and Hogwarts, but you can't use magic. It's the same as now, because I know about magic and Hogwarts. Not saying that it's true, I'm just saying I know about magic and Hogwarts, and I can't use magic, so it's like, yeah, whatever, I don't care. I'm gonna press the button. So yeah, 41% pressed the button while 59 did not. Okay.
Thoughts?
Man, a lot of immortality questions for some reason. I don't know why that is. I think people are very obsessed with with immortality. They are obsessed with, or at least I think that they are. I'm not sure. I'm not saying no, but it certainly feels that way in this game. Immortality. Is that something that you would want? I mean, I'm asking you, like, honestly. Leave me a comment below and let me know if there's something you would consider, like immortality. I'm not saying that it has to be like an ultimatum that you have to shit yourself every 5 minutes or anything like that. But would you want immortality? Yeah, would you want immortality? Me myself, I don't think I would want that. I don't think I would want that. No, I'm looking forward to becoming older and wiser and experiencing new things in my life, and I don't think that immortality can give you that because you just keep on living, and I guess you stop experiencing things. You just like stop. I guess having fun or exploring things, but because after a while I guess you've done everything, so you don't really, yeah, I don't know, whatever. Anyway, guys, man, let me know in the comment section, would you enjoy immortality, you think? Would you have any plans if you gained immortality? What would you do? What would be interesting for you? Let me know, it'd be cool if you left a comment with that. Alright, guys, take care, thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.